It depends on the group that you're talking to. A lot of people are talking about moving towards autonomous. The challenge is not all elements of a process unit, for example, will be able to move towards autonomy at the same time. They're all going to move at different levels. Some parts of a process we can make autonomous today without a problem. There's other parts of the process that over time we will continue to move them towards autonomy with advancements in software, advancements in automation. But over time, we'll begin to get closer and closer towards full autonomy of assets. And I think that's what's important, because when customer says autonomous, they think we're going to, our whole facility can be autonomous. And what we have to work with as customers, here's the current capabilities of technology today, but then also here's the current capability or limitations of how you operate today. And so it's really about working with the customer, understanding where they're at, understanding what their short-term and long-term projections are and objectives are, and then just working with them on that journey to get there. The good news is, because our approach to autonomy is a level and stack of applications. So wherever the customer is at, we have applications that begin to add value, begin to have an impact on the customer's business, help improve profitability, sustainability, energy optimization, et cetera.
And you know me, right? I'm the technology, but it's not just about the technology. It's about the workflow, the processes, the culture,
Yes.
right? And you have to somehow assess that as well, right?
Oh, absolutely. For us, a lot of times when we go through a workshop and or a series of workshops with a customer, when it's either digital transformation or it's moving towards autonomous as well, or autonomy as well. And what's most important is we're working with the customer on the different technologies that they want to implement, and so we're also working with them in parallel on business transformation change, because we can implement some of the greatest technology, but if they're not changing the way that they operate, changing the way that they execute and run their business, then the technology is going to have zero effect.
So what's the cost?
Yeah, absolutely. So what's most important is we not only work with them on the technology and the strategy for the implementation, but also on the business process transformation change, so they can get the full leverage of the technology.